How to verify your identity for WorldRemit transfer. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So to verify your identity for WorldRemit transfer, you first of all need to upload a valid government issued photo ID like passport, driver license and national ID, showing your full name, date of birth and a document number, and a selfie may be required. So to proceed on, you just need to actually receive an email from WorldRemit with a link to upload document. So after you're done creating your account, you will be able to receive this application, some sort of form, which you'll get it through an email, and you need to press onto that email. You need to press onto that link, and it's going to direct you to a page where you need to submit your or you need to upload your identity for verification. So basically, you have to be clear by providing a clear photo or a scan of a government issued ID, both the front and the back side of the card. And you may be asked to take a selfie to verify your identity as well. If requested, you want to provide your utility bill or a bank statement less than 6 months old as well, and wait for an approval. So it's going to take 24 to 48 hours, and you will be notified by an email when your account is unlocked. And that's how you're going to verify your identity for WorldRemit transfer. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.